All right, we just finished doing the speed dating or speed networking persuasive arguments protocol in 5th grade, and I wanted to give a quick tutorial recap of what happens during this process. It is a 4-day process, and on day 1, what you're going to do is just explain the process to the students. Why are we persuading? What are some best practices? And also after that, you're going to get into the first topic. Now keep in mind this was 5th grade, and the first topic they looked at was should students have to wear uniforms? And you're going to give your kids 5 minutes to do quick research and bullet out any talking points or facts or things like that based on this topic. Now, what we saw is some kids in this process created a Google Doc to take notes, and that took them 2 minutes alone. So just keep that in mind. If kids are going to do this digitally, that they might need a little more time. Also, I would highly recommend that whatever method they use to take notes is they keep taking notes on that same document for day 2 and day 3. All right, so once the 5 minutes is up, we bulleted out pros and cons to students wearing uniforms. And this was just generated from the students in no particular order. After that, we split the class in half, and we made one half of the class for uniforms and the other half against uniforms. And then we did a quick mini, it wasn't really even a debate, just a quick mini persuasive argument where an A partner had to talk to a B partner and try and persuade them to go for uniforms, and then vice versa. And that was over after a total of 2 minutes. All right. Day 2 is just a repeat of day 1. Here the topic changed though. Should recess be longer than 15 minutes? And kids went through the same process. Day 3, should there be 2 gym classes per cycle? Now some kids struggled doing research on the word gym, and they had to look up physical education instead, which was just a good talking point. By the time you get to day 4, this is where we're going to look at student accountability. So we're going to prompt or put these 3 prompts back on the board: uniforms, recess, and gym class. And kids are going to have to do 5 minutes of quick research on any one of those topics and their own stance, whatever that case may be. So you give them 5 minutes, and then what they're going to do is conduct little mini persuasive arguments for 1 minute with a partner. All right? And you can use something like Flippity if you want. If you have the Flippity name picker, under More, you will see the option for speed networking to set up this structure. So we had 2 kids doing a little debate or persuasive argument. After 1 minute was up, the other kid then tried to persuade the other student. When the 2 minutes up that was total was up, they then switched partners. That kid, whatever topic they chose, did the same argument again, just with a new student. The reason for that is hopefully they get clearer, crisper in their arguments. And then we even did it a 3rd time. So the kids got to argue their same talking point 3 times with 3 different partners. All right.